Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to organize a quiz component with random questions in the LMS platform. Once the user logged in LMS as a teacher or someone with an appropriate permissions, user has to open a course from course overview in which user can add a quiz component. Once an appropriate course page launched successfully, then user has to select settings icon and choose turn editing on option. Basically, every course in the LMS is organized as sections. On the computer screen, user can observe some sections under a course entitled as special project. Every section will have a name. In this case, first section is named as general, second section is named as topic 1, third section is named as topic 2, and so on. User need to go to a particular section in which the evaluation component need to be added. Every section contain two drop down boxes. One is add a resource, another one is add an activity. Add a resource helps with resource, add an activity helps with activity. Evaluation component comes under an activity in LMS, so user need to go to add an activity drop down box and select quiz component. Once adding a new quiz page launched successfully under the current course special project, user can observe various options in the same page entitled with adding a new quiz. User has to select a first option general. In that, user can observe two options. One is name tab, which requires a name for a component. Second, description sector is specified to provide a description about a particular component. So here under name tab, user need to specify a name for the particular quiz component. In this case, compre. So here description sector is an optional thing for the user. So once user wants to avoid this sector, then immediately check the display description on course page button, then user can skip this description sector. After that, move to the timing option. Here user can see four options. One, open the quiz, second, close the quiz, third, time limit, fourth, when time expires. Here enable the open the quiz. By enabling this button, the quiz open time like date, month, year, hours, seconds can be activated. At the same time, enabling the appropriate check mark associated with the close the quiz activates day, month, year, hours, seconds for the closing of the quiz. Then user can directly move to the bottom of the page and select the save and display button. Once the current evaluation component entitled with compre launches successfully by the LMS, then user can see a dialog box with a statement called no questions have been added yet. So now user can add questions by selecting a button entitled with edit quiz. Once editing quiz of compre quiz component launched successfully, then user can start adding random questions by choosing add drop down option which is located right hand side of the same page. After clicking the add link, then user will get three options. User has to select a random question from that. Once add a random question at the end window opens on the computer screen, user need to select a category from the category drop down sector. Here user can observe Compre parent sector. Under that, three subsectors entitled as difficult, easy, medium. In this point of time, all the users are advised to manage questions in the question bank as follows. Here, difficult subcategory name represents a subcategory name. Adjacent to the name, within the brackets, the number 50 indicates the number of questions part of in that particular category. So user has to select an appropriate category or subcategory within the drop down sector. In this case, the category is selected as difficult with 50 questions. After that, user can choose number of random questions. Once user has selected a appropriate category in the category drop down sector, then user need to select appropriate number in the number of random questions option. Here the appropriate number of questions are 10. So here 10 random questions are picked from a category called difficult. So category difficult consists of 50 questions. So out of 50, 10 random questions will be added in the quiz component. Then user has to go to the add random question button and select it. So then 10 random questions from the difficult category will be added in the edit quiz, that is Compre quiz component. Now go to the 10th question and repeat the same process for adding 10 random questions from another set of category. So again choose add drop down link on the right hand side, select a random question. Once add a random question at the end window appears on the screen, select category. Instead of difficult, choose easy. Again easy consists of 50 number of questions. From that, the number of random questions user wants to include is 10. So 10 random questions from the easy category will be added in the quiz. Then add random questions button. Then 10 more random questions from the easy category will be added in the quiz component. Now repeat the same process for another set of category, that is by using add drop down option and choose a random question. In the add a random question at the end window, choose the category from essay to medium, which is the last category, and select number of random questions from the medium category, that is 10. So 10 medium questions can be added randomly from 50 questions. After that, choose add random question button in the same window. Then 10 more questions from the different category added. So 30 questions are added in the quiz component randomly by the LMS. So now move towards the top of the current page and select or check shuffle option, so that all 30 questions will be shuffled and displayed in a different order for the different students. Then one thing every user has to observe is verify maximum grade and the total of marks. Total of marks which are 30 10.00 and the maximum grade is 10.00, which is not matching. Maximum grade represents the grade which student able to acquire, and total of marks indicates the individual question weightage. So maximum grade is 10 and the total of marks is 30, which is not matching. So better update maximum marks from 10 to 30. So the maximum grade for this quiz will be 30. And the question here the point is every question has an equal weightage. So 30 questions, 30 marks, and the maximum grade also 30. So these two are matching. That depends on the weightage of the each and every question. Let us say the maximum grade is 30, but the number of random questions are 15. Then each question weightage should be 2. So 2 into 15, then the maximum grade will be 30. Okay. So it depends upon the number of questions, and that can be decided by the particular user or a teacher or someone who has a appropriate permissions to conduct a particular quiz component. Then after saving with this particular editing quiz component, then move to Compre, which is a quiz name, by selecting the link in the previous page. So this is a Compre quiz. Then user can check a preview by selecting the settings icon in the same page in the right hand side top corner and choose preview option. So in the quiz navigation, 30 questions can be viewed in a single frame. In the left hand side, first question can be viewed by the user. Then in the right hand side navigation, user can select appropriate question which they want to move. Let us say I want to move 23rd question. Select on that rectangular box. Then user can move to that particular question. So then immediately user can choose a general link which is on the top of the same page. Then user directed to the different sections in the particular course. If you recall, in the starting of the video there was only announcement and attendance under this section called general. Now a quiz component called Compre has been added. With this, I hope you can understand how to include a quiz component with random questions in the LMS. Thank you very much.